So to check the reference range, let us go to the menu and put 3-00 code 1 so that I can use this potentiometer to run the motor in one direction when I use the or set the pot at one point, and run the motor in opposite direction when I set the pot in opposite end. So let us go to the parameter 3-00. So I'm going to the menu twice, and the parameter is 3-00, that is the reference range. In that by default it's 0, so let me say 1. 1 is minus max to plus max. Let me say OK. Go to the menu back and say 0 Hertz. So if I say hand on, motor will run at one direction. Even I can see the arrow here. And now I can turn the motor in opposite direction. See, when the motor runs in opposite direction, the arrow changes. It is showing to the left side, and when I again cross the 0 marking, it goes to the right side. So this way I can change the direction of the motor.